Hello everyone, my name is 𝐍𝐞𝐭 and I'm a full stack software developer with over 10 years of experience. So you have finally decided to containerize your application using Docker. So now there are two main options you have. So I will help you in choosing between .NET Core and .NET Framework for Docker containers, right? Now there are two supported frameworks for building server-side containerized Docker applications with .NET. One is .NET Framework and another is .NET Core. I have written a brief post on my LinkedIn and I'm going to explain this post further. So now they both .NET Core and .NET Framework share many .NET platform components, and you can share code across the two. However, there are fundamental differences between them, right? And which framework you use will depend on what you want to accomplish. Now you have to choose, or you should choose .NET Core with Linux or Windows containers for your containerized Docker server applications when you have these needs, right? So in short, you can use .NET Core when you have cross-platform needs, right? For example, you want to use both Linux and Windows containers. And secondly, you may want to use .NET Core when your application is based on microservices, yeah, right? When your application services are decomposed further as microservices, and I hope you have a bit knowledge about what these microservices are. So, and also you need to choose .NET Core when you need to start containers fast and want a small footprint per container to achieve better density or more containers per hardware unit in order to lower your costs. So in short, you should consider .NET Core as your default choice. It offers many benefits, which I'll be explaining to you in a more detailed video. Now let's talk about .NET Framework. Now you should use .NET Framework for your containerized Docker server applications when your application currently uses .NET Framework, right, and has strong dependencies on Windows, right? And you need to use Windows APIs that are not supported by the .NET Core. And third point is you need to use third-party .NET libraries and NuGet packages that are not available for .NET Core. So these are three main reasons why you should consider using .NET Core or when to choose .NET Framework. Also, using .NET Framework on Docker can improve your deployment experiences by minimizing deployment issues. There are many scenarios in which containerizing legacy applications that were originally developed with the traditional .NET Framework like ASP.NET, Web Form, MVC-based apps, or Windows Communication Foundation services. In my next video, I will try to make you understand when to choose .NET Core for Docker containers.